Right, we had another huge story play out yesterday. The heavy rain, the weather.
Yes.
And at my house anyway,
Yeah.
we had a 3-day total of 9 inches of rain.
Wow,
We
I
had
believe it.
2 days before the big rain, we had a
Yes,
half inch.
right.
Then the day before we had 3, and yesterday 5.5. It's a lot of rain.
And
It's no place to go.
Right. We work with two folks here. One that's listening to this right now. We're sorry about this, but the basements had water in it.
Oh my gosh.
And so
Well,
there's so
many
of
people
you.
did.
Yeah,
Yes.
for sure.
Yeah.
So hopefully that'll be rectified, and we'll talk more about dry weather until Saturday, but that should be a quick hitting rain
Okay,
event.
so I'm in the Veterans Parade Saturday.
Yes.
How's the weather going to be for that?
Well, it looks like it moves in right during the parade. So yeah, bring the umbrella.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's check in with what's going on right now. You know, had to bring this back up because Rafael was supposed to only be a Category 1. So even the Hurricane Center, you know, the forecast was a little off, and that's what happens when you have these warm oceans and the right conditions. It rapidly intensified to a 3. That is a major hurricane that is now crossing western Cuba. And as it goes into the Gulf of Mexico, it encounters some wind shear and becomes a 2 and then a 1. We're hoping it dies out to a tropical storm before it even hits another area of land, which could be Texas, Mexico, somewhere around the Gulf of Mexico. So we'll be watching that for days to come. 59 degrees right here. Thank goodness we're dry. We need it. Dew point 48. So there it is at lower dew point. The other day with this heavy rain, it was near 70 dew point, and you felt that stickiness in the air. All right, right now at Arnold, see the clouds? They've really come back. Moscow Mills, it's really St. Louis northward, and then you go south. Farmington, it's still very sunny. Cuba, Missouri, very sunny. But even around the metro, Highland, Illinois, those clouds are coming back in, but no rain with them. These are just low clouds within this cooler air behind that front that moved through yesterday and gave us all that incredible rainfall. Way too much, way too fast. So there it is, the cloud cover that's now getting into Jefferson County. See how it's forming further south? So wouldn't be surprised if the entire area continues to see these clouds move in. So we're in the 50s right now. It was about 60 in St. Louis, but with that lack of sunshine, we might have actually hit that high for the day, right around 62. And then clouds and sun mixed, and again, more clouds to the north. But the next chance of rain comes from this area of low pressure out to the west of us, and it should be a quick hitting rain. Here it is, 7-day forecast. So we're dry through Friday, low 60s, but Saturday, rain, some thunder, nothing severe, and 62.